had me at hello. 'Cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else.
Hey friends, and welcome back to another weekly Australian grocery haul and meal plan. Now if you are new here, hello and welcome. My name is Katrina, and on this channel I like to share my family of four's weekly Australian grocery haul and meal plan, and I also like to share what's for dinner videos and all things foodie content over here. If you have been here for a while, you will know that I used to share a lot of cleaning motivation on this channel as well, but I have recently started up a new channel for all of my cleaning content, so my cleaning motivation, my clean with me videos. I'm doing a lot of spring cleaning at the moment, so if you do love those types of videos, I would love for you to head on over and check out my new channel that I have going. It is called Katrina Marie. I will leave the links in the description box down below to that channel or to my recent video if you wanted to go check it out. I would absolutely love to have you over there watching my videos there as well. But today I am going to be showing you, as always, what we are having this week, so you can get some new dinner ideas for you and your family. As always, go ahead and leave your meal plan down below in the comments. I love getting meal ideas from you guys just as much as I love sharing them with you. And then I'm going to go pick up those groceries and let you know what we got in our grocery haul. Let's get into the meal plan. So these first couple of meals on the meal plan have been brought over from last week. I do like to make sure that if I haven't had any of the meals that I had planned the week before, that I do bring them forward onto the new meal plan, just to make sure that that food that I've brought for those meals doesn't get thrown out or go to waste or anything like that. We don't like to waste food in this house, as I'm sure a lot of people don't. So yeah, that is one way that we make sure that we get all of that food eaten, just by bringing them forward to the following week. So we are going to be having sheet pan sausage and vegetables on Monday night. Tuesday night we are having carbonara tortellini. Then on Wednesday night I'm going to be making some rissoles with some mashed potato and just some salad on the side. On Thursday night we're going to be having chicken pie, mashed potato and mixed veg. On Friday we're going to just be having leftovers, so either something from one of those nights, or it could even just be anything that I find in the freezer, just to start using up stuff so that it doesn't, nothing, expires in the freezer either. Then on Saturday night, we're going to be having chicken mac and cheese with mixed veg. And then on Sunday night, we're going to be having ravioli bolognese. So that is everything that is on the meal plan this week. I'm just going to go ahead and grab those groceries, and then I'll be right back to show you what we got. So I just went ahead and grabbed this oven power cleaner thing. It comes with like a bag that you put all of the racks in and things like that. I'm normally all for natural cleaners, but my oven really needs a good powerful clean, so I went ahead and grabbed these. If you've used these before, let me know in the comments down below what you think of them. I'm really hoping it works out. I seem to have the worst luck lately with buying cleaning products and them not working in my favor, so I'm really hoping this one works, because cleaning the oven can be such a long time consuming job. So fingers crossed I've got a win with this one. Then I've gone ahead and changed up my washing detergent this week. So this isn't the one that I usually get, but I do use this Earth Choice brand for my dishwashing liquid. It is a natural cleaner. It's not completely organic natural, but it is pretty close to, and it's also an Australian brand. So I thought I would try out their laundry powder and see how that goes. I'm really hoping it works, but yeah. Then I've just grabbed a box of 24 gloves here. Sometimes we just randomly need gloves for cleaning or food, like marinating things or touching raw chicken. So I thought I'd just go ahead and grab a small box of those. I think these ones are on special, which is what made me buy them this week. I've been putting off buying gloves forever just because I think, nah, we'll be right without them. But these were on special, I'm pretty sure. So I went ahead and grabbed those this week. I then stocked up on, well, I didn't stock up, but I grabbed a packet of paper towel. We just ran out of that one. It's not on special at all at the moment, but as soon as it does, I'm going to stock up on a bunch of packets of those. Then I've grabbed a packet of just a sliced processed cheese here. I grabbed a 500 grams of the extra lean beef mince, Heart Smart beef mince. That's for the homemade rissoles that I'm going to be making this week. I grabbed 2 kilos of the potatoes, just the whitewash potatoes. They're the cheapest at the moment, and I have 2 nights of mashed potato this week on the meal plan, so that should be plenty for that. I've grabbed 2 bags of the ricotta and roasted vegetable tortellini, the big bags. They were down to $4. I think they were half price this week, so that was a really good bargain. I'll just chuck those in the freezer for whenever we want to have those. I went ahead and grabbed my favorite Fiber One bars. I got the milk chocolate popcorn bars and the salted caramel and almond popcorn bars. I honestly think these ones are in the front running now for my favorite. I used to absolutely love these ones, but I'm more tending towards grabbing these ones when I am wanting to snack, because that bottom like caramel flavor is just so good. So I grabbed 4 boxes of those. They were half price as well this week, so I just wanted to stock up while I could. I went ahead and grabbed a 2-litre tub of this mint choc chip ice cream for my partner. This was half price as well this week, as well as all their other flavors. I grabbed a 4-litre tub of just the vanilla ice cream. We always like to have that in the freezer. So then I've also gone ahead and grabbed 2 loaves of bread this week. I did order the 2 low GI that I always love, but they substituted one with the high fiber, which is fine. And then I've also gone ahead and grabbed 2 of these salad tubs. I got the Caesar salad kits this week. They're just super easy to chuck on with like lasagna or whatever we're going to have that week. They're just really good to chuck on the side. I think we're having those with rissoles this week, and they work out really well because it's only the 3 of us that do eat the salad. My partner doesn't eat it, so these are plenty big enough for me and the 2 kids. And then I have also grabbed my partner a peppermint crisp milk for work, and I also had to stock up on an Aussie favourite here. If you're watching and you're not in Australia, Vegemite is something that is in pretty much every single Australian household, and that is something that we just cannot live without in our house. If you live in Australia and you don't like Vegemite, let me know down below, because I honestly think I would be shocked to hear that. Then for fruit this week, we've just grabbed some mini apples and a bunch of bananas, and also 3 punnets of strawberries. My kids are loving fruit at the moment. They've gone back from having smoothies to back to eating fruit, so I am just stocking up on the strawberries and always making sure that they are in the fridge and ready to be eaten whenever they want a snack. I've also grabbed a zucchini this week. That's to go in the homemade rissoles that I'm making. So I grabbed 5 packets of the coconut dairy-free yogurts this week in the strawberry flavour. I just like to add those into the kids' smoothies in the morning. Then I've gone ahead and grabbed 2 of these Frisp strawberry crisps. They're just like full whole strawberries, freeze-dried, and they're super healthy. I'm pretty sure 100% natural. Only 55 calories per serve, but my 3-year-old absolutely loves these ones, and they're half price at the moment. So I grabbed 2 bags of those. I grabbed a bag of the mini rice cakes with the dark chocolate on top. A lot of these snacky things that I get, I only really buy when they're half price, so that sort of determines what snacks they're going to get that week. And then I've also grabbed these yogurt rice cakes as well. They were on special too. Now for lunches this week for myself, I did want to start making up some sandwiches for myself. I've just had some real cravings for like just sandwiches lately with like meat and cheese. So I went ahead and grabbed this sandwich pickles jar to put in those. And I also grabbed some silver side to go with that. And I'll just add a slice of cheese with that as well. And it's just honestly all I've been craving lately. So I'm really excited to have those sandwiches this week. And I also just went ahead and grabbed this potato, egg and bacon salad just to have on the side of those sandwiches. It's going to be the most super carby week ever, but I just need it, and I really just cannot wait for lunch this week. I've been having a lot of salads lately and eating a lot healthier, but I'm just really excited to have some sandwiches. Then I've also grabbed 2 of these tins of the salt reduced Big Red. They were $1, I think $1.10 this week. They were half price. And I've also grabbed a 2-litre of the A2 light milk that we like to drink, and also just a shelf life milk just to have in the cupboard. Sometimes we go through a full 2-litre in one week and sometimes we don't. So if we do go through the full 2-litre, I just like to be able to use this one instead of having to go to the shops just for milk. And then if we don't go through it, well, this will just stay in the cupboard until the week that we do end up needing it. So that is everything that is in this week's grocery haul for my family of 4. If you haven't already, go ahead and pause this video if you like and take a guess down below at how much you think this grocery haul cost my family this week. And if you have already gone ahead and taken that guess, or if you just want to know what the price is, I'm going to let you know now. So the groceries this week cost $169, and if you guessed anything close to that, then you were totally right, and I really appreciate you playing along and leaving your comments. So anyways, it is really late here in Australia. I'm going to go ahead and put those groceries away, and then I'm going to head to bed. I just want to say thank you so much for watching my video today. It really means a lot to me, and for those of you who took the time to leave a comment or leave this video a thumbs up, I really appreciate your support. And if you haven't already and you like grocery hauls, meal plans, what's for dinner videos, and all types of foodie content, I would love to have you hit that subscribe button down below and turn on the bell notifications to all, and hopefully I will see you here again next week. Now until then, I hope you all have a fantastic week, and I will see you all again really soon. Bye.
I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too. You can ride all the blue. I wanna do what you want to.